My sister Amy and I, and Elena, our sister-in-law from Durham, are visiting Trevor's grave. It was our parents' wish that someday some of us should come here and visit, and it has taken us 40 years to come and do this. It's really a beautiful cemetery, rather like our village in Glyn, only the hills are missing. I'm sure that he's really quite at home here. It's been a rather traumatic time for us, but we are grateful that the cemetery is so well kept. Elena, would you like to say a word?
Not much I can say, really. Just we've fulfilled a wish that we've always wanted, and we've waited a long time, but it was worth waiting for. Not very nice to see him here. He shouldn't have been here, really. He wasn't a soldier. Well, he was a soldier, I suppose, but
Not
he
here.
didn't want to fight. He just wanted peace.
It may seem a strange thing to say, but coming here and looking at all these graves, to me it's been a great enlightenment. And I feel that these lads, they're still lads to me. It's us who've aged, but they're all the lads in the teens and 20s, and it's a fantastic feeling. And I'm sure, I'm positive that these lads lying here today, somewhere on a cloud, they're looking down and they know it all back. It's a feeling it can't be explained. Can't be explained. I think more people should come here and do this, especially the younger generations. It should be done every year. It's a wonderful sight, all these graves so beautifully kept, the blooms are out, and it's a lovely sunny day. Birds are tweeting, and I'll never forget this sight, never. All the horror and carnage, and the result of it is here. It's lying here in these fields. It's a great pity that more people don't take any notice of this. A great pity. Sweet Jesus, may it never happen again.